So one of the most awaited devices of the year is finally here. I have with me the Samsung Galaxy Ring, just launched at the Galaxy Unpacked 2024. Of course, Samsung had showcased this ring earlier this year at the Galaxy Unpacked, which happened in Feb, and I had a chance to look at it during the MWC in Spain. But at the time, the ring was still in a glass box and I couldn't touch it, but right now it's right here in my hand. And this, by the way, I'll tell you, is extremely lightweight and very well built. Samsung has used grade 4 titanium on this ring, so it is supposed to be very, very durable. Plus, it weighs only 3 grams and is 2.3 inches in size. Just to give you an idea, well, this is my engagement ring right here, and this is the Galaxy ring next to it. Even though it is bigger and slightly thicker than this particular ring, it feels very, very lightweight. What Samsung has done here is it has launched this particular ring in 9 different sizes. So you will get this sizing kit. You can get the exact fit for your finger, and the ring itself comes in this particular charging case, very compact, very cute little charging case, which has a Type-C port at the back to charge. It also has the Samsung branding on the front, and it supports wireless charging as well, so you can always charge it on the go. Inside this, you'll of course get the ring, which I have in my hand right here. This is the golden color of the ring, but Samsung is also launching it in a grey as well as a black color. Now this can withstand up to 10 atm pressure and comes with IP68 rating, so you can always wear it, go on different adventures, go for a swim, maybe hike, and you don't have to worry about the durability of the ring. But the big question is, what does this ring do and why you should wear it and not your regular smartwatch? Well, basically it can do almost anything that a smartwatch can, just that there is no screen to interact with, but it can monitor all your regular fitness activities. It monitors your sleep, heart rate, all the different activities. Plus, Samsung has introduced what it is calling a AI powered energy score. So what the ring does is basically analyzes your day-to-day activities, and it tells you what levels of energy do you have and what levels of energy are you maintaining during the day, so you can adjust your routine basis that. Then of course there is sleep tracking, so whenever you are sleeping it will give you databases that are very comprehensive data within the Samsung Health app, and there are also alerts for irregular heart rate, something we have seen in the smartwatches in the past. Samsung is promising 7 days battery life on the charging case, so you don't have to take it off every single day or charge it every single day. You can basically wear it, go to your work, go for your routine workout sessions, travel with it, and you don't have to worry about taking it off or charging it every single day. One interesting feature here is that you can actually control your phone while you're wearing the ring just with the gestures. By pinching, you can take up the calls and everything, so that's really interesting. Plus there's also Find My Device support on the ring, so in case you lose it, you can always track it and find it. Now the big question is whether it is coming to India or not, and if it is coming, at what price will it be launched? So immediately Samsung has no plans to launch it in India. It will definitely come to the Indian market, but in some time, and we'll get a clear idea about the price of this ring. But I am pretty sure that it's not gonna come for very cheap to begin with. Let me know what are your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Would you invest in something like this, or are you happy with your regular smartwatch?